The CIPP model was created in the 1960s by Daniel Stufflebeam, and it is considered as a decision-oriented model that systematically collects information about the program to identify strengths and limitations in content or delivery, to improve program effectiveness or plan for the future of a program. Here is the context, input, process, product evaluation model.
Beneficiaries. In life, we have different life situations, and we have beneficiaries for learners, especially to those learners who are in low stage of life. They will receive a quality education with the help of government assistance that will expand their learning journey. Needs. As a learners, we have different levels of needs. Some learners need attention to enhance their skills and their capacity in learning. The teacher will help them to mold them as a competitive learners.
Out of the resources, students can achieve a variety of learning goals by expanding their learning experiences. For example, textbooks, software, and relevant reading materials. This day, I observed that the common problems that the students encounter at school are difficulties in reading, bad pronunciation, and a lack of vocabulary.
Checking the background of your students help you learn where they came from, so that it makes your jobs easier. Also, by knowing your learner's background, you can deliver exactly what they need to feel in order to be successful. Environment. We, teachers, need to have a positive environment classroom so that our students are motivated and be able to focus in their learning. We must tell to them that they are all welcome in our classroom, allow space for everyone to participate, avoid favoritism, and treat our students equally.
According to Stufflebeam 2002, input evaluation includes available and existing resources for attaining objectives and fulfilling needs. Stakeholders involvement faculty member by implementing the do's and don'ts of the curriculum, implying policies which should help the teachers and the students to be responsible and productive. Strategies for improving instruction, curriculum, and student achievement consisting of common mission, vision, and values. Collaborative teams focus on the student learning that work interdependently to achieve common goals.
Budget of the approach selected to meet the beneficiaries' assist in the target needs. Budget will be determined and constituted to achieve the goal of education. Also, the major input of the program is the budget. Documents may cover one only part of the topic, and you'll need more sources to have more understanding. Consider how coverage from one source compares with the coverage by other source, whether the sources is relevant to the research and covers the topic sufficiently for the need of the student.
Learning research is very crucial. It helps the students to gather and find enough sources of ideas who might answer their questions about something, especially to the things that they are curious about. And it helps the students to have a wide knowledge about everything.
In implementing, it involves meeting the plan strategies, refine instructional materials, completing the lesson plans, and to check the students' data in order to assess the students' development in the class. Through the help of the curriculum workers, they provide the outline or guide to make use and implement in the school in order to make practice the students' capability to showcase their performance that needs to further develop.
Monitoring is to track, assess, observe, or identify the current status or progress of the learners after using different strategies and methodologies in the implementation of curriculum. Whereas feedback are the test results or different responses of the learners regarding their learning experiences and suggestions to the curriculum implemented. And both of these are important to know where to adjust or change in the process of implementing the curriculum to make it more effective and the outcome to be accurate.
Impact evaluation, the curriculum effect to the learners. For example, the Christian school that have Bible subject. Before, the student does not know any Bible verses, and after every school year, the student learn a lot of Bible verses. Effectiveness, the success of the curriculum to the learners. Like the MTB MLE, they found out that the learners actively participate in class because they are free to express their thoughts through the use of their mother tongue.
Say transportability evaluation is an APT subject for a doctorate dissertation, or this is an optional component of a CIPP evaluation, or let's say it should be applied when the client or some other authorized party desires and arranges for such a study. So this where the interview program and leaders and staff to identify their judgment about what program success should be sustained.
Adjustment is to measure the product of evaluation and address the outcome of the program to see the effective and impact of the program.